Welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate the love. And this is going to be a brief intro. This is all about aging gracefully and also tips and tricks about making sure that you are able to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles as you do age. So if you're interested and you want to stay ageless and beautiful, stay tuned. So we're going to dive right in here today, and this is a chit chat with Jacqueline on just tips and tricks on how to keep your skin moist, vibrant, and beautiful at every single age. So a full disclaimer, I am old, honey, but people think I'm about 30 years younger than I am. I'm not, okay? Oftentimes I may have to even pull out my driver's license to show them I don't lie about this, okay? I'm old. I'm way over 40. That's what I'm going to say for now. So, a couple of things that I highly recommend. The earlier, the better. I started probably at the age of 14 or 15 using olive Olay. I think I've said this in one of my previous videos, just making sure to moisturize my skin. First and foremost, you want to wash your face at night. Remove all this beautiful makeup you spend hours in the morning putting on. But it's very harsh on the skin, and it does cause fine lines and wrinkles. I'm not going to really represent any particular product. This is just the remedy to help you look beautiful at every age. I would highly recommend getting and using a beautiful, more rich moisturizer. Also, you must use an eye cream. Manage and protect your eyes with sunscreen and also eye cream. I use the eye cream at night and I use the eye cream in the morning. It actually is the same. It has hyaluronic acid in it and it helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. I'm going to get real close to this camera so you can see up close and personal my under eye. Okay. There's a few lines, but honestly, I probably should have a lot more wrinkles for my age. But what I do, I moisturize. One of the things that I must give credit to, I don't drink, smoke, or do drugs. I eat a healthy life. As you guys know, my cheeks were kind of fat a while ago. But I stopped the carbs and sugar, and I'm watching what I eat. I drink at least a gallon of water a day. All those things matter. One thing that I say, if you are a drinker or a smoker, do extra. Use extra moisturizer. One of the things that I decided to do, I do add a couple of drops of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil on my hands and pat my face over my moisturizer. This helps with fine lines and wrinkles. If you have fine lines and wrinkles, if you happen to be acne prone, you may want to minimize the amount of olive oil you use, maybe 2 drops, but definitely pat and moisturize your face. I have told this to about 1,000 women over the years. One of the things that I do when I sleep, ask my husband if you don't believe me, I sleep with a satin pillowcase. I travel with it. I have one permanently attached to my bed pillow, and I'll have them in several things. If I happen to do a grab bag and we're just going for a quick weekend, I have a satin pillow case. If we're on a long trip, I pack it in my bag. It's on my bed now, I assure you. So what that does, it helps your skin to stay moist and you don't get those lines from when you're sleeping on cotton. Cotton is the enemy, okay? I love cotton, but it is the enemy when it comes to your face. It sucks out all the moisture and you don't want that. That's the one thing that really advances fine lines and wrinkles. In addition to that, if you live in a cold climate, one thing first, moisturize. I would say to put one on in the day, definitely sleep with a little bit more heavier moisturizer at night so it could treat the skin throughout the night and cleanse your face. Do weekly facials where you take out all the toxins and get everything out. And I would recommend that you use an SPF of at least 15 on your face. You can mix a little in your moisturizer if it doesn't come with it. I also highly recommend that you eat a healthy diet. What you eat does affect you, and it will show on your skin. So eat healthy, drink lots of water, get good sleep, be vibrant, and exercise. One last tip and trick I would say is to make sure that you have a balanced life. Minimizing and reducing stress is key. You don't want to be dealing with work issues. You don't want to be dealing with family issues or relationship issues. Give it all up to whatever higher power you believe in and have a peaceful life. Make your home and your surroundings peaceful. I am totally into feng shui. I like a zen, very peaceful environment. So that's what I put out. That's what I require as a mandatory requirement in my home. I don't want any crap. I take the shoes off, leave the dirt outside, come in and just embrace my home. So I really highly recommend that you have music playing throughout your house. Fire, wind, air, everything, all the senses to help you feel the most relaxed and to help reduce any fine lines and wrinkles. And if you happen to live in a sunny, warm area, sunscreen, 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 because the sun can be your enemy too. Just like cold weather, the sun can age you immediately and intensify age spots on your face. So have good products. Make sure you look at the product ingredients. Make sure it's good for your skin. Nurture your skin. This is it. This is all we got. And we got a long time to live. As you know, people are living a lot longer now, especially women. So make sure you look as good as you feel. Make sure you take care of yourself. Put yourself first. That is key. So I hope you like these tips and tricks for an ageless beauty. I will be giving them on a weekly basis. Different tips and tricks that I have used, that I stand by. And I kid you not, I am way over 40. So I should have a lot more wrinkles, thank God for my genes, but it also takes diligence. Putting the effort into your skin, into your body, so that you will look beautiful at every age. Please let me know what your remedies are and what your routine is for keeping your skin moist, beautiful, and ageless. Okay, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and a like. Hit the JB and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell so that you will be notified of all of our uploads of new videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.